Navionics, today talking about the Digital Yacht Sonar Server.
So first, let me describe exactly what the Digital Yachts Router is. It creates a wireless network which allows you to connect your wireless device, your iPhone, your iPad, your Droid, whatever. And when you have that combined with the Navionics app, you'll have a digital sonar readout right on the screen of your Navionics app. It's very, very simple to connect. There's only two wires. There's a green and a yellow wire, and that connects right on to the NEMA output wires on your GPS chart plotter. So once you get that set up, you find the Digital Yachts network that it's set up. You connect through settings on your iPhone, turn on your app, and you're ready to go. For more information about the Digital Yachts Router, go to sonarserver.com, and for more information about the Navionics app, go to navionics.com. Thanks.